guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned. If you like all things Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree organizing, all that good stuff, please check out my channel and subscribe below. So some of these items are from the Shop With Me videos that I've been doing and some are not. Lots of the dried fruit for my daughter. She really likes these. This is the Fruit Crisps apple and the So Natural freeze-dried strawberries. I've done a price comparison of the freeze-dried strawberries at Target and Kroger and Aldi, and they are definitely cheaper at the Dollar Tree. Bought a thing of peroxide for gardening and some furniture polish to keep upstairs so I don't have to keep going up and down stairs with that. A big measuring cup for craft projects. And this item is one of my favorite items that I found in a long time at the Dollar Tree. These are the stainless steel drinking straws. They have a straight straw version and a bent straw with the cleaning brush. I think that is so super cool. I am so glad that Dollar Tree is getting on board with these kinds of things. They also had a package of 100 compostable straws, which I showed in a previous haul, which is pretty cool. But I did want to point something out. It does say that there's a laceration hazard. Is this something that's on all stainless steel straws? I don't know. It says they're rigid, can poke children in the mouth, but looking at the tips, they look very smooth and rounded off, so I don't know. So just be careful just because of that warning. I bought one of the shelf liners. I already dug into that. I had put some items on top of my fridge with the kitchen redo and wanted to make sure they don't fall down. Also bought the citronella incense sticks. This is a 6-pack. And just like the shelf liners, I bought the non-slip rug underlays. These can get kind of grody over time, so it's not a bad idea to replace those. Also in the home organizing section, I bought these. These are back at the Dollar Tree. These are like the geometric design gold and blue and the gold and gray over there. And I gotta say, guys, I'm in love with this wrapping paper. If you're new to my channel, you might not know that I am obsessed with all things gardening, both indoor and outdoor. And I just think that is just so, so beautiful. My daughter has been experimenting with makeup lately, so I bought her her own small eyeshadow brush. I can't believe she's old enough to play with makeup now, but it's kind of nice to be able to share something new with her. Speaking of makeup, I bought the Milani concealers. I have been on the lookout for Milani concealers ever since they had their stick version of concealer, and it was, I think, maybe my favorite ever makeup product from the Dollar Tree. I have been on the lookout. This is technically a different kind of product because it has a cushion applicator, but if it's anything like that stick concealer I tried, I'm sure I'm gonna love this. All right, let's go ahead and give these a swatch. So as you might be able to tell, it's a little bit on the thinner side, so it's definitely not as good as the other Milani concealer I had before. This is the light dried. So it dries pretty nicely, but I definitely see how you might have to layer it. And this is the medium light, but it is still wet. Also bought the L'Oreal Everpure Intense Repair Hair Sheet Mask. It's a 5-minute hair spa steam treatment. This was really delicious. It's caramel and cheddar. As you can see, it is gone. And thank you to those of you who recently commented on one of my Shop With Me's where I could not, for the life of me, remember the name of the store in Chicago that has the good popcorn. So it is Garrett's. Thank you, guys. This is a food item that I get if we're in the mood for something sweet, but we don't want to eat it all in one day, just because this is so sweet. For my daughter, I got a couple more items. These are some socks in giraffe design. She loves her giraffes. And then the Disney Princess Sticker Activity nail stickers, 50 pieces per pack. Was also really happy to see some chapter books at the Dollar Tree. They're really good about having young readers lately. So like step 1, step 2, step 3. These are regular chapter books. And on Amazon, they were definitely over $1. These, according to under the sticker, were originally $5.99. So yeah, it's still a good price. And what's nice is that this one has part 1 and part 2. So we could start at 1 just in case it matters, rather than starting in the middle of a series. Some seeds. I didn't buy a whole lot of variety of seeds because I just placed an order with Emma Gardner, who's a fantastic YouTuber for gardening. I've bought peas before where even years later, the seeds will still work. So yeah, and you can grow just pea shoots. You know, you don't have to grow the whole plant, and the pea shoots are delicious in a salad. Also have some lavender here and some microgreens. I just filmed a video where I'm trying them out. It could be an enormous fail. I really hope it's not, but I've never grown microgreens before. It's definitely more economical if you're going to eat a ton of microgreens to not buy it in this way. They sell bags or packages of microgreens for like $16 for a huge amount, and it's definitely a better value. But if it's something you're just trying and you want to kind of see how it works first before you make an investment, I think it's great that Dollar Tree has microgreens. So we will see how they work. Bought some white bins for an organizing project. These were located not in the organizing section, but in the 4th of July section. It kind of looks like a container that you would put drinks in with ice. But yeah, you can use that for all sorts of different things. And then I bought a cake pan up there that comes with a lid. More of the battery loofahs. I've been really liking those. And I bought some placemats for a craft project. In the food clearance section, I saw these strawberry filled muffins by Baker Select. They were for 50 cents each. And I have to say, they're okay. I probably give them like 2 out of 5 stars. The strawberry filling does not look like this, but to be honest, this kind of looks like a drawing anyway. It looks more like a strawberry preserve kind of thing in there. But what I do like about it is that these are kind of on the small side, so they're really nice to have with like coffee, definitely heat it up. You know, I was thinking about Dollar Tree items from the past that I've missed, and they used to have this bag package of honey peanuts or something like toffee peanuts. And they don't have that anymore, but this is a great substitute. This is the Star Snacks Toffee Peanuts. It's probably less of an amount at 5 ounces, but it's really delicious. We put this in a Dollar Tree trail mix, and they are like the star of the show. All right, so that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. If you like this video and all things Dollar Tree, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.